right, folks, welcome to this little demonstration. So, this apple, along with six other of its comrades, were soaked in 11.5 water, created by this beautiful machine here. And I just want you to understand when I put my finger in there, it's just a sooty, greasy, slimy film that dried. It didn't take me but a day. So I just want you to contemplate the reality that if you were not getting this off your apples, you're eating it. It's just that plain and simple. And you go ahead and Google all your chemical, herbal, pesticide or chemical pesticides, herbicides, things of that nature. If you're not getting this off your food, you're consuming it. And then we're wondering why we got such high rates of cancer and all this stuff. You want to learn how to get this off naturally and freely? Hit me.